Greetings, everyone. Greetings. Today is May 28th, 2023. All right. I'm doing this as an update for my my one video I had about talking about Putin and the secrets that he got and that he's bringing out, right? Okay, so me personally, I didn't know nothing about BRICS. I just seen, if you listen to my video, my last video, it'll be down in the comments somewhere or up, wherever it's going to be. I said something about different countries coming together and that something about the U.S. was going to try to attack the Russia because of the secrets. Well, like I said, I don't know how long that this been going on, okay? I don't know how long that these countries have been putting themselves together. I just know that it showed up in my dream one time and I just put it out there, right? So I put my dream was on March 28th, 2023. So after I did that and I put it out on the 30th of March, I say about a week later, that's when everything started coming out. I was like, oh, fuck, there it is. Like, oh, my God, my dream just, you know what I'm saying? Well, more shit done happened. More shit done came out. So I'm going to put up here about the BRICS. And then I'm going to also put out here about, just give you a little sample of what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to put out here, and then I will also share the link to where I got it from. And then I will, because it tells you a little bit about what's actually going on. So I'll put that out there for you. And then also I'm going to put out there about the secrets I was saying that Putin's going to put out here. He done put some secrets out that nobody wanted to hear. Well, I take that back. That the people, y'all know what I'm talking about. That they didn't want us to know that most of us already fucking knew. Well, I'm just going to say most of us because other people just human beings and shit. But anyway, but hold on. Give me 1 second. Let me set up.
Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa form the intergovernmental organisation known as BRICS, which is one of the most powerful economic groups in the world and one that a lot of people have never even heard of. While not the most flattering name, the BRICS control 26.7% of the world's surface area, 41.5% of the global population, and around a quarter of the world's total economic output, with a combined GDP of $25 trillion. That makes this group larger by every metric than the USA or the EU, and they're only becoming larger as time goes on. The BRICS members have announced plans to trade between each other more intensely. They've even spoken about introducing a common currency that could effectively shut out the West's control over this major group of trading nations. That could be a concerning trend, because obviously these countries don't have the best political relationship with the rest of the world. Russia is currently fighting a war that has been universally criticised by the USA and its allies, and China has made its intentions clear that it wants to invade Taiwan and bring it under direct control of the mainland. Continued economic cooperation has been one of the best deterrents for this kind of conflict over recent decades, and failing that, economic sanctions are a powerful tool that doesn't actively involve getting caught up in an armed conflict between major nuclear superpowers, which most BRICS members are.
Now, that's just one, okay? That, and I linked the, you know what I'm saying, that I put in below. Put the link below. Now, there's another one where I found out that, give me 1 second here. Okay, so in this video, I really don't understand because, you know, they're talking in Russian. But he is about to show some shit. And this is an artifact, okay? So this might be part of my dream. But I knew it's more to it. So he's going to come out with a lot of shit. But this is number 2 on my list of updates of what he's about to show. And I keep updating everything once he keeps showing things. So here we go. Hold on.
Сейчас вопрос.
see that? Ain't that bad a bitch. But y'all seen it, right? Alright. Alright, so did y'all see it? Even though they ain't show it too, you know what I'm saying, too much. Of course they ain't gonna show it too much, but y'all got to see it, right? Okay. That's all that matters, that y'all got to see it. Now, I don't know how to put this shit up. I don't know how to do the YouTube thing yet, so I'm still learning. But when I get the chance to cut it up and do it the way I want to do it, I straight will do it for you. That's all I got for y'all today. And I will I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.